Technology and Livelihood Education 8. Quarter 3 Week 4 Day 1. Introduction to Garments. Content Standards. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the principles of drafting patterns in making garments. Performance Standards. The learners draft a pattern in making garments following safety precautions. Learning Competencies and Objectives. Learning Competency. Discuss the concepts in making garments. Learning Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to 1. Classify various types of clothing based on their styles, purposes, and occasions. 2. Identify sewing supplies and materials commonly used in garment production. 3. Examine different types of fabric and their characteristics by creating a fabric swatchbook. Appreciate the importance of understanding the concepts in making garments. Content. Introduction to Garments. Hollow circle. Types of garments. Hollow circle trends and innovation. Hollow circle ergonomics. Filled circle supplies and materials used for making garments. Hollow circle kinds of fabric finishing materials. Integration. Learning resources. Day 1. Clothing and Garments. Activating prior knowledge, lesson purpose, vocabulary, and introduction to garments. What's on your mind? Garments is. Imagine designing a clothing line for teens. Consider style, comfort, trends, function, problems. How would you match their preferences? Ergonomics. Designing clothing so it fits comfortably and allows easy movement without causing strain. Garments. Any piece of clothing made from fabric for wearing or decoration. Sewing aids. Small tools that make sewing and cutting tasks easier and faster. Sewing equipment. Larger machines or powered tools needed for sewing work. Sewing supplies. All items used in sewing, including tools, equipment, and materials for making textile products. Sewing tools. Handheld instruments used to complete specific sewing tasks. Sewing materials. Fabrics, threads, buttons, zippers, and other components used to create or decorate sewn items. Types of garments. Sewing is a creative skill that brings together different parts of a garment using techniques like darts, pleats, gathers, stitches, and edge finishes to produce high-quality clothing. Proper attention to detail ensures a well-fitted and attractive final product. Clothing is an essential part of life, influenced by cultural, religious, social, and historical factors. It not only provides physical protection but also expresses identity and personality. Garments can be classified based on style, purpose, occasion, function, and other specific features. Sewing supplies, tools and materials. Supplies. All sewing tools and materials. Tools. Handheld devices. Materials. Fabrics, thread, needles, buttons, zippers, trims. Garment parts use gathers, pleats, darts, stitches, finishing. Requires technique, detail, good fit. Clothing and culture. Varies due to modesty, religion, traditions, history, weather. Influences identity and expression. Types of garments. Categorized by style, purpose, event, function, features, culture. Casual wear. Examples. Jeans, t-shirts, shorts, sweaters, sneakers. Formal wear. Examples. Gowns, suits, dress shirts, formal shoes. Dress codes. Black tie, right pointing arrows, semi-formal. Activewear. Examples. Yoga pants, running shoes, moisture wicking shirts, shorts. Includes sweatbands, visors, wristbands. Outerwear. Examples. Jackets, coats, raincoats, parkas. Sleepwear. Pajamas, nightgowns, sleep shirts, robes. Breathable fabrics. Swimwear. Swimsuits, bikinis, trunks, swim shorts. Ethnic clothing. Examples. Kimono, sari, kilt, dashiki, hanbok. Business casual. Dress pants, blouses, loafers, skirts. Uniforms. School, airline, military uniforms. Includes logos and colors. Evening wear. ball gowns, cocktail dresses, tuxedos, evening shoes. Greener, inclusive, modern garment industry. Thank you for your attention. Follow for more.